Hello and welcome. I am Jonathan Pritchard from iCanReadMinds.com, and this is a super quick beginner's introduction to Markdown for Obsidian. Now, to show you what this is, I have divided up my screen into two halves. On the right side, the white background is Notepad. It's a standard text editor. And on the left-hand side is Obsidian, where you would take your notes and do all that kind of stuff. So how do you make sense out of your notes and show priority and some formatting, right? That's really what that is. So Markdown is the formatting language that's used, and it's for text-based programs like Notepad here that I'm using on Windows. And here, hashtag by itself with a space is heading 1. So this would be your most important topic. So this is basically kind of the first biggest idea that we're going to be talking about. And then under that, you would have a secondary topic or header. So this would be subtopic 1, or maybe detail, or whatever you want to call it. So this is kind of a secondary heading. So subtopic 2, and then another couple hashtags and subtopic 3. And then say under subtopic 3, you wanted to have some text. So this is where you would be taking your notes, and then you would want to make a ordered list or an unordered list, whatever. You just kind of some bullet points is all you want. So bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3. I like using a plus sign with a space in order to make the list. You could also use a minus sign for a bullet as well. And then if you wanted to make a numbered list, you could say it's a 2, item 2, 3, item 3. And then say you're taking notes in class and there's something really important, so you want to highlight it. Make 2 equals and then type whatever it is that you need to type, and you can close it out. This is pretty much all the formatting that I use on a regular basis. I also might use this, where it's a greater than sign and then a space, and then type in a quote or something important goes there. And then that's pretty much it. So this in a text document doesn't look like much, but when you put it into a program that understands what that's supposed to be, well, then you will see what it looks like. So let's select all of it, copy it, paste it over here into Obsidian, and now you can see the difference in the formatting and styling. So this is the header, this is subtopic 1, and say under subtopic 1 you wanted heading 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 is the smallest heading. So you can see how it looks different. So you've got the bullets here, you've got the ordered items here, 1, 2, 3, you've got a highlight here. And then one cool detail about lists is that in Obsidian, it kind of knows that, oh, they want to write a list. So when you hit enter to go to the next line, it autofills for the next, right? And then if you want out, just hit enter and then enter again, and now you're back into the main text editor. So what that looks like in practice is you use a minus sign or a plus sign, hit space, and then voila, it turns into the bullet list there. And what's also neat is in an ordered or a numbered list, you hit enter and then there's item 4. Hit enter and then tab, now you've got your sub details. And it's kind of important to know these formatting tricks so that your theme styling makes it look the right way. So formatting and styling go together, and if you don't know how to format your information, well, then it's not going to style properly, and there are ways of navigating through your notes, embedding this note in that note, and a lot of cool advanced level stuff you can do once you've got your formatting down pat. So look up Markdown. This is a super quick introduction to what Markdown is, how to use it, and some of the most common things. But man, it can get really detailed really quickly, and there's a lot of cool stuff that you can do with it once you start looking into it. So this is all I wanted to share with you. If you have any questions about Obsidian, of how I use it, what my day-to-day operations with it looks like, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to share what I know. That's it for me. Again, I'm Jonathan Pritchard from iCanReadMinds.com. See you in the next video.